Welcome to my YouTube summary of the book, The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. The Miracle Morning, The 6 Habits That Will Transform Your Life Before 8 a.m. by Hal Elrod is a self-help book that introduces a powerful morning routine designed to create positive change and achieve goals. The routine, called savers, silence, affirmations, visualization, exercise, reading, and scribing, has a transformative impact on various aspects of life. The book begins with the author sharing his personal story of overcoming adversity and finding success through his morning routine. Elrod's experience, from a near-death car accident to becoming a best-selling author and motivational speaker, serves as a testament to the power of the routine, known as the Miracle Morning. Elrod emphasizes the importance of waking up early and engaging in intentional activities during the first hour of the day. Starting the day with personal development and self-care sets a positive tone, increases productivity, and transforms lives. The first habit in the Miracle Morning is silence. Elrod highlights the significance of starting the day with moments of silence, achieved through practices like mindfulness, meditation, or prayer. Silence calms the mind, reduces stress, and provides clarity and focus. Silence allows individuals to step away from distractions, reflect inward, and find stillness. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the moment without judgment, focusing on the breath or bodily sensations. Meditation cultivates calm, concentration, and self-awareness. Prayer connects with a higher power, expressing gratitude and intentions. Incorporating the habit of silence brings numerous benefits. It reduces stress by providing a break from thoughts and external stimuli. It promotes self-awareness, mindfulness, better decision-making, and emotional resilience. Silence fosters introspection, clarity, and alignment with goals and values. It nurtures mental and emotional well-being, creating a centered and positive mindset. The habit of silence in the Miracle Morning is a powerful tool for personal growth. It cultivates mindfulness, reduces stress, provides clarity, and connects with one's inner self. A few minutes of silence each morning can profoundly impact overall well-being and lay the foundation for success in life. The second habit in the Miracle Morning is affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements or beliefs about oneself and desired outcomes. They help reshape the subconscious mind and develop a positive self-image. Our thoughts and beliefs greatly influence our actions and results. By consciously choosing and repeating positive affirmations, individuals can unlock their potential for success. To practice affirmations effectively, create a personalized list that resonates with your goals. Write affirmations in the present tense, making them specific, empowering, and emotionally charged. Repetition and belief are key to making affirmations effective. Repeat them daily, preferably during the morning routine. This reinforces positive beliefs and replaces negative thoughts that may be holding you back. Consistent affirmation practice builds self-confidence and a positive self-image. They counteract self-doubt and negative self-talk, propelling individuals toward their desired outcomes. Affirmations also influence subconscious programming. They overwrite negative conditioning and rewire the subconscious mind, aligning it with aspirations and leading to better decision-making. Create affirmations for specific areas of life, like health, relationships, and finances. This focuses affirmations on specific outcomes, reinforcing commitment and attracting desired energy. Engage multiple senses during affirmation practice. Read affirmations aloud with conviction and emotion. Visualization can be combined with affirmations for greater impact, imagining achieving desired outcomes. The habit of affirmations in the Miracle Morning empowers individuals to shape their mindset, build self-confidence, and reprogram the subconscious mind for success. Consistently practicing positive affirmations transforms thoughts, beliefs, and actions, leading to the realization of desired outcomes. The third habit in the Miracle Morning is visualization. Visualization involves creating detailed mental images of desired outcomes and goals to manifest success and align thoughts, emotions, and actions. To practice visualization effectively, find a quiet, comfortable space free of distractions. During the morning routine, close your eyes and mentally immerse yourself in a vivid visualization of achieving your goals. Engaging the senses makes visualization more realistic. Imagine sights, sounds, smells, tastes, and physical sensations associated with the desired outcomes. For example, when visualizing travel, envision the scenery, sounds, warmth of the sun, and taste of local cuisine. Emotional engagement is crucial. Tap into positive emotions you would feel upon achieving the goals. Infuse the visualization with joy, excitement, gratitude, and fulfillment. This emotional connection fuels motivation and commitment. Consistency is key. Incorporate visualization into the daily routine to reinforce mental images and keep goals in focus. Regular sessions strengthen belief and clarify necessary actions. Visualize both the end result and the steps to reach the goals. This provides clarity and helps anticipate challenges. It aids in developing an action plan and maintaining focus throughout the journey. Combine visualization with affirmations for greater impact. Repeat positive affirmations while visualizing, reinforcing belief, self-confidence, and neural connections associated with success. The habit of visualization empowers individuals to shape their reality. It mentally rehearses success, creates positive expectations, enhances motivation, focus, and belief in one's abilities. It prepares individuals to take inspired action toward their goals. Visualization taps into creative power, aligns thoughts, emotions, and actions with desired outcomes. Through consistent practice, belief strengthens, opportunities attract, and purposeful steps turn dreams into reality. The fourth habit in the Miracle Morning is exercise. Exercise is emphasized by Hal Elrod as an important component of the morning routine to boost energy, enhance vitality, and improve overall health and well-being. Elrod recommends incorporating any form of exercise that suits an individual's preferences and physical abilities. It can range from simple stretching and bodyweight exercises to more vigorous activities like running, swimming, or strength training. The key is to engage in physical movement to start the day on a positive note. Exercise offers benefits beyond physical fitness. When performed in the morning, it jump-starts the body's metabolism, increases blood flow, and releases endorphins, leading to improved mood and mental clarity throughout the day. Including exercise in the morning routine sets a positive tone for the day. It provides a sense of accomplishment and empowerment, which can boost motivation and productivity in other areas of life. Exercise promotes self-care and self-improvement. Prioritizing physical well-being cultivates self-respect, self-love, and a positive body image, contributing to overall self-esteem. Moreover, exercise has long-term health benefits. It improves cardiovascular health, strengthens muscles and bones, helps maintain a healthy weight, enhances cognitive function, reduces the risk of chronic diseases, and increases longevity. To make exercise enjoyable and sustainable, find activities aligned with interests and preferences. Whether it's dancing, hiking, cycling, or practicing yoga, choosing enjoyable activities increases the likelihood of maintaining a consistent exercise routine. Accountability and tracking progress enhance the effectiveness of the exercise habit. Working out with a partner or joining a fitness group or class provides motivation and support. Using fitness tracking apps or journals helps monitor progress, set goals, and celebrate achievements. The duration and intensity of exercise can vary based on individual fitness levels and goals. The goal is to engage in physical activity that elevates the heart rate and induces a sense of exertion. Even short workouts of 10, 15 minutes if done consistently can yield significant benefits. By incorporating exercise into the morning routine, individuals establish a healthy habit that positively impacts physical, mental, and emotional well-being. It sets a positive tone for the day, increases energy levels, and promotes a sense of accomplishment and self-care. Regular exercise contributes to improved fitness, overall health, and confidence in overcoming challenges. In summary, the habit of exercise in the Miracle Morning encourages individuals to prioritize physical activity in their morning routine. Engaging in regular exercise improves energy levels, mood, physical fitness, and long-term health. It sets a positive tone, fosters self-care and self-improvement, and contributes to overall well-being. The fifth habit in The Miracle Morning is reading. Hal Elrod emphasizes the transformative power of reading and encourages individuals to dedicate time each morning to expand their knowledge, gain new insights, and foster personal growth. Elrod highlights that reading is a valuable tool for learning and self-improvement. By engaging with books, individuals can access a wealth of information, experiences, and perspectives that can broaden their understanding of the world and inspire them to take action in pursuit of their goals. To effectively incorporate the habit of reading into the morning routine, Elrod suggests setting aside a specific amount of time, even if it's just a few minutes, to focus on reading a book that aligns with one's interests, goals, or areas of personal development. By making reading a consistent practice, individuals can experience profound intellectual and personal growth. Reading allows individuals to expand their knowledge in various domains. Whether it's non-fiction books on subjects like personal development, business, psychology, or biographies, or even fiction books that provide entertainment while offering valuable insights, reading exposes individuals to new ideas, concepts, and perspectives. In addition to gaining knowledge, reading can also be a source of inspiration and motivation. Books often contain stories of triumph, resilience, and personal growth that can inspire individuals to overcome challenges and pursue their own aspirations. By immersing themselves in the stories of others, individuals can find motivation and guidance on their own life journey. Furthermore, reading enhances critical thinking and analytical skills. As individuals engage with different authors and explore diverse viewpoints, they develop the ability to evaluate and analyze information, question assumptions, and form their own opinions. This critical thinking ability can be applied to various aspects of life, including problem-solving, decision-making, and personal relationships. Elrod also suggests incorporating note-taking while reading. By jotting down key insights, quotes, or reflections, individuals can deepen their understanding of the material and create a personal reference for future reflection or application. Note-taking can also aid in retaining and internalizing the knowledge acquired through reading. To make reading more enjoyable and accessible, Elrod suggests exploring different genres and authors. By diversifying reading choices, individuals can broaden their perspectives and discover new areas of interest. Whether it's self-help, philosophy, science fiction, or poetry, each genre offers unique insights and benefits. In addition to traditional books, Elrod also encourages individuals to explore other reading formats, such as audiobooks or ebooks. These alternatives offer flexibility and convenience, allowing individuals to engage with books even when they're on the go or have limited physical space. By incorporating the habit of reading into the morning routine, individuals make a commitment to lifelong learning and personal growth. Reading expands their knowledge, nurtures creativity, enhances critical thinking, and provides inspiration and motivation. It serves as a powerful tool for self-improvement, allowing individuals to continuously expand their horizons and gain insights that can positively impact their personal and professional lives. In summary, the habit of reading in the Miracle Morning encourages individuals to dedicate time each morning to engage with books and expand their knowledge. By reading consistently, individuals gain new insights, develop critical thinking skills, and find inspiration to pursue their goals. Reading serves as a catalyst for personal growth and a lifelong journey of learning and self-improvement. The final habit in the Miracle Morning is scribing, which refers to the act of journaling or writing. Hal Elrod emphasizes the power of putting thoughts and ideas onto paper as a means of reflection, self-expression, and personal growth. Scribing serves as a tool for self-reflection and self-discovery. By taking the time to write down one's thoughts, feelings, and experiences, individuals can gain clarity, process emotions, and gain valuable insights into themselves and their lives. Elrod suggests incorporating journaling into the morning routine by dedicating a few minutes to write freely, without judgment or limitations. This practice can take various forms, including writing about one's goals, expressing gratitude, recording achievements, or reflecting on lessons learned. One of the main benefits of scribing is that it allows individuals to gain clarity on their thoughts and ideas. Through the act of writing, individuals can externalize their internal dialogue and gain a better understanding of their desires, challenges, and motivations. This clarity can help in setting goals, making decisions, and taking purposeful action. Scribing also serves as a tool for emotional release and stress reduction. By writing down thoughts and emotions, individuals can alleviate the mental burden and process challenging experiences or negative emotions. Journaling provides a safe space for self-expression, allowing individuals to vent, explore their feelings, and find solace or resolution. In addition to reflection, journaling can be used to record achievements and progress. By documenting successes, big or small, individuals can celebrate their accomplishments and build a positive momentum. This practice fosters a sense of self-appreciation and reinforces the belief in one's abilities and potential. Gratitude journaling is another form of scribing that Elrod suggests incorporating into the morning routine. By writing down things one is grateful for, individuals cultivate a positive mindset and shift their focus towards the positive aspects of their lives. This practice enhances happiness, contentment, and overall well-being. Scribing can also be a source of inspiration and creativity. By allowing thoughts and ideas to flow onto paper, individuals can tap into their creative potential and discover new insights or solutions. Journaling can spark innovative thinking, problem-solving, and the generation of new ideas. Furthermore, scribing provides a means of documenting personal growth and self-improvement. By consistently journaling, individuals can look back on their entries and witness their progress over time. This retrospective view allows individuals to recognize patterns, track their development, and identify areas where they have grown or achieved positive change. To make the habit of scribing more effective, Elrod suggests using prompts or specific journaling exercises. These prompts can be focused on areas such as goal setting, gratitude, self-reflection, personal values, or future aspirations. Prompts provide a structure for journaling and can help individuals explore specific areas of their lives more deeply. By incorporating the habit of scribing into the morning routine, individuals create a space for self-reflection, self-expression, and personal growth. Journaling allows individuals to gain clarity, process emotions, celebrate achievements, cultivate gratitude, spark creativity, and track personal development. It serves as a powerful tool for self-discovery and a means of documenting one's journey towards a fulfilling and purposeful life. Thank you for watching this summary of The Miracle Morning by Hal Elrod. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more book summaries and insightful content. Happy thinking!